Next up is the Vizrt TriCaster and Control Surface bundles. Gary mentioned at the top of the show that Vizrt has made a bunch of new bundles to pair with the TriCaster Vision, and that includes a flex control panel, which I'm not going to pick up, but I do have here on the shelf. The flex control panel is really cool because it is an IP-based control panel, so you can connect it to your network, and then you can control any TriCaster that is on your network. As soon as I plug this into our network, I would be able to control our TriCaster TC1 Pro that we have in our studio. But let's say that we had another TriCaster that was connected to our network. We wouldn't have to swap the cable from the TriCaster TC1 Pro to the other TriCaster. As long as both TriCasters are on the network, we can swap between them just like any other IP-controlled device on the network. Now, Vizrt has also made, with these new bundles, they have also announced a new TriCaster Vision. This is a rack-mountable 16 SDI I/O version of the Vision. If you are looking to get your hands on one of these TriCaster bundles, absolutely give us a call and we will get you in contact with a local integrator in your area to help find the right TriCaster for you. Now, while we're talking about TriCaster and bundles and control surfaces, I also have to give an honorable mention to the TriCaster Mini X and its bundle, where you can bundle the TriCaster Mini X and the control surface, the mini control surface, and get a nice little discount on that as well. Perfect for the smaller workflows where you may only need 8 inputs. So Vizrt TriCaster bundle, Flex bundles, Videoguys, top new product of 2025.